Hey, what's up guys? It's Jake, and if you build blog posts in WordPress, your life is about to get so much easier because I have figured out a way to build blog posts way faster than anybody else in WordPress. And so it says, write an interesting introduction about 5 best WordPress themes talking to bloggers who want to create a blog. Include 5 best WordPress themes in the beginning. And so like I said, this is automatically recognized as a prompt by the Jasper Chrome extension. And if you hover over this play button here, it says run command with Jasper. All you have to do is click this button and watch the magic happen. So there it goes. It starts spitting out this perfect introduction here. Literally nobody is doing this in the market so far. And this is a vision that I have had for a long time, ever since AI copywriting tools became a thing and templating became available in WordPress. And I have figured out a way to mesh the two together and make it so that you can build a blog post that is going to look amazing. It's going to look so much better than all other blog posts out there. It's going to have a Google-friendly outline. And so your blog post has a much higher chance of ranking on the first page, and it's a lot easier to gain the featured snippet. And lastly, your blog posts are going to be conversion focused, which means a massive increase in affiliate revenue and sales. If you've used any kind of AI copywriting tools before, in fact, this one here is Jasper AI, you know that you have to write directly in their document editor. And so that means that you'd have to come into this separate app here. You'd have to write your blog post and tweak it all in here. And then you'd have to copy it over and paste it into WordPress. And although that sounds super easy, it doesn't always go as planned, especially if you need any kind of special formatting with headings or anything. It's very tough for it to go over into WordPress and have all of the correct headings and all of your structure laid out perfectly. Besides, what's more boring than reading a 2,000 word blog post that is just a plain wall of text, right? It doesn't have any colors in there. There's no layout. There are no specific call to action buttons. And so it just simply does not convert or make sales. It's like reading Wikipedia. It's extremely boring. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to build beautiful blog posts like this one, such as listicles or product reviews. In fact, this one right here is a listicle article. You know, it might be the 5 best whatever, or maybe the top 10 whatever. And so this one right here, you can see that you scroll down, you have an introduction here, you have a table of contents that Google loves, and it has jump links to all the different sections in your blog post. And then you start listing out your items here. And this can be whatever products that you want to list in a listicle article. And so this one right here I have is the 5 best Gutenberg ready WordPress themes for bloggers. And so as you scroll down here, you can see that there's a product image on the right that sticks all the way down, which is beautiful. It's kind of like on Amazon when you're searching a product page and scrolling through all the information. We have a beautiful pros and cons list right here. And then you have your big call to action button, which entices people to click that and go to the product page and purchase. And then as you scroll down here, you can see that the next product image sticks here. It has all the information with pros and cons. And that just continues all the way down through here. And you can list as many of these as you would like within your blog post. And so here's another blog post that we have built with one of our templates. This is a product review template. And so this would be used if you want to write a specific review on a product and give all the information that people are looking for about that product. And as you scroll down here, you can see you have your featured image here, you have your table of contents like before, and then you have this beautiful product summary box. So you have an overview and you have a few paragraphs of information about the product. This is very, very good for grabbing the featured snippet on Google. We have gotten a number of featured snippet spots by using this right here. And then you can see down here, we have different product aspects such as speed, ease of use, features, pricing. You have your overall rating out of 5. You have a list of pros and cons, a big call to action button that gets people to click. And then we have a whole Google-friendly outline down below here that Google's going to love and is going to answer a number of the search intent that people are looking for on Google. And the best part about all of this is that you can use the AI prompts that we have integrated into our templates to help you write every single section of these blog posts. And so it's going to massively decrease the time that you are taking to build these blog posts. That means you're going to be able to crank out so much more content and ultimately start generating a lot more passive revenue for your website. And so in order to start using the templates that we've built with these AI prompts there are only two simple things that you need on your website. And so the very first thing that you need on your website is you need the free version of the Kadence Blocks plugin. And Kadence Blocks is the best Gutenberg extension plugin on the market right now. You can see that I'm on the plugins section on the left-hand side of my WordPress site here. And you can see that I have Kadence Blocks added and installed here. But if you don't have that on your website yet, all you have to do is just go to add new, come over here to the search and search Kadence Blocks. And so it's the first one here that says Gutenberg Blocks by Kadence Blocks. And so all you have to do is click install. And once it's installed, just click activate and it'll be activated on your website. And then the second thing you'll need is an AI copywriting tool that integrates with WordPress. And there are not a ton of them right now, but there are a number of tools out there that are working towards this. And Jasper AI is my favorite one right now because they have a Chrome extension tool that works great with the WordPress editor or basically any app out there that you can think of. And so I'll have a link in the description below for this page right here. But you can see it says add Jasper to Chrome right here. So you're just gonna click this button. It'll take you directly to the Chrome web store here for the Jasper Chrome extension. And then you just have to click add to Chrome. And so you can see it says Jasper, your AI content assistant has been added to Chrome. That's awesome. And then you'll just create an account right here. And if you don't have an account already, or you don't want to pay for it right away, that is absolutely fine. I will have a link in the description below that will give you 10,000 free words if you sign up. And that is enough to be able to build 2 to 3 full blog posts using the outlines here that I'm going to show you. And if you build those blog posts and do it correctly, you are going to get in the top of Google results, and it's going to start paying back your subscription to Jasper. In fact, I have spent thousands of dollars on Jasper AI in the last 2 years. I've been using it since it came out. I have purchased their annual plan because it saves me thousands of dollars every single year in not hiring extra content writers or anything like that. I can literally just have Jasper do the work for me, or at least start off my blog post for me, give me ideas to work with, and then I tweak the output and the blog post is perfect. So once you have an account or a free trial hooked up, all you have to do is just sign in here and you'll be good to go. So first, let's talk about these templates that we have built that help you build landing pages and affiliate blog posts so much faster than before. The product is called Start Blogging Blocks. And once you have the free Kadence Blocks plugin installed on your website, once you go into a post or a page, you'll see that there's this new Kadence Design Library button here. And so if you click on that, you can see that I'm connected to the Start Blogging Blocks library here, which is this new tab here. And we have a ton of templates here that are perfect for helping you build landing pages and blog posts. In fact, we have an entire page building collection, and that is to help you build landing pages and sales funnels. So that would be things such as hero sections here. We have a number of content sections that you can see here. We have some pricing tables, we have FAQ sections, and just a number of sections that help you build landing pages that are going to convert. And then we also have an affiliate collection, and that's gonna help you build affiliate blog posts. So that's gonna be things such as product boxes here. So this is a lot of what you see on Wirecutter and different sites like that. It's a number of product boxes that you can add different images from Amazon if you're an Amazon affiliate or whatever affiliate programs you're a part of. And you can showcase different products in these beautiful boxes that are conversion focused. And then we have things such as pros and cons boxes where you can highlight what different customers are saying or different pros and cons about a product. We have CTA boxes here. So these are for call to actions. If you want to have a section in your blog post where you have an image with a headline and then a call to action button. And then we have alerts up here. And so this is perfect for being able to call out important information within your blog post. And then best of all, we have a number of full page templates such as blog post outlines. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on the most here. So you can see these are whole images of entire blog post outlines. So we have different ones for, listicle posts. We have a product review one here. These are all different listicle post ones, and we are just getting started with these. We're adding AI prompts to all of them, and we're going to be continuing to grow these and build these out for all your different core types of blog posts, such as comparison posts, how-tos, product reviews, listicles, the whole shebang. Now, the blog post outlines that I'm going to be using in this video are pro templates, but we are going to have some free templates available to you for blog post outlines that are going to have the AI prompts in there. And so you'll be able to add those to your website with one click and then start running the AI prompts to start building the blog post for you automatically. And so if you want to get started with the free templates on your website, you can get connected to our cloud in less than 1 minute. All you have to do is go to startbloggingblocks.com. And then if you scroll down here, you'll see that there's a form that says try Start Blogging Blocks for free. Just enter your first name and your email, and your free license key will be immediately sent to you. And so now let's get into a real demo showing you how to use these templates with the AI prompts integrated in there to help you build a blog post in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. It's crazy how cool this is. I think it's gonna blow your mind. So say we wanna create a listicle blog post. That's a list such as 5 best or top 10, and we're gonna write a blog post called the 5 best Gutenberg WordPress themes for bloggers. Since we have the free Kadence blocks plugin on our website, we have this Kadence design library button up here. And since we are connected to the Start Blogging Blocks cloud here, we're able to scroll down and we're gonna go to blog post outlines here. And I'm gonna choose this listicle one right here. And so you can see when I clicked on that, it instantly imported in an entire blog post outline for this listicle. And it includes a spot for your featured image here. It has table of contents. It has placeholder images for all your products and product names with the pros and cons lists here, all the way down for 5 products here, and then a conclusion. And then best of all, we have all of these AI prompts integrated in there. And so anything that starts with this greater than symbol here is an AI prompt that we have integrated into these outlines. And all you have to do is switch out the variables here that are in caps with whatever it is that you're talking about. And this thing is going to automatically go and start writing about it for you. And so there are some guidelines here for how you want to structure the title of your blog post. But since we already have the title of our blog post, I'm gonna get rid of these blocks right here. And then we're gonna start with the introduction for this listicle article right here. And you can see that we have this little Jasper symbol here because we now have the Jasper Chrome extension enabled on the website. And the coolest part is anything that starts with a certain verb, it highlights in this light purple color because it automatically recognizes this as an AI prompt. And so since we want to write a listicle post about the 5 best WordPress themes for bloggers, let's fill in this AI prompt and see how it works. So it says, write an interesting introduction about keyword. So the keyword I'm going to say here is 5 best WordPress themes talking to audience. And so the audience that we want to target are bloggers who desired result. And for the desired result, I'm just going to say who want to create a blog. Include keyword in the beginning, and that's in quotes. And the reason for that is because we want the keyword to show up early in the introduction, which is a great SEO practice. And so for the keyword that we're going to put in quotes here, I'm just going to say 5 best WordPress themes. And so it says, write an interesting introduction about 5 best WordPress themes talking to bloggers who want to create a blog. Include 5 best WordPress themes in the beginning. And so like I said, this is automatically recognized as a prompt by the Jasper Chrome extension. And if you hover over this play button here, it says run command with Jasper. All you have to do is click this button and watch the magic happen. So there it goes. It starts spitting out this perfect introduction here. And so I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it says, are you a blogger looking to create a blog? Look no further as we have compiled the 5 best WordPress themes designed specifically for bloggers. That is an absolutely perfect intro. And it has our keyword in the beginning there. It talks about whether you're looking for something simple or straightforward and different options and features, customizing fonts, everything. This is an absolutely perfect introduction for your blog posts. And so I'm just gonna come in here and I'm just gonna enter down and break this into a couple paragraphs, and boom, your introduction is done within a matter of seconds. And then the instructions down here say remove the image below and replace it with the featured image for the blog post. So I'm just going to delete this and I'm gonna replace this image with my featured image that I have for the blog post here. So I'm gonna click this and select this. And boom, we have the best WordPress themes. That's looking awesome. We have the table of contents right here. Now you'll notice that it says product name, and that's because the Kadence table of contents block is automatically reading in all of your headings. So as you change these, so I'm gonna just change this to Kadence right here. you can see that it automatically updates in the table of contents here, which is awesome. And so let's just fill out this first product here with a few more AI prompts and see what it can do. So I'm listing Kadence as the best Gutenberg ready WordPress theme here. It says you can use Jasper AI to run the command below, but you already know that. So let's remove that. And it says write a short description of product talking to audience. So we're just going to say, write a short description of the Kadence theme talking to bloggers. So we'll write bloggers here, and all we have to do is just run this command again, and boom, let the magic happen. Kadence is a WordPress theme that caters to bloggers looking for a modern, versatile, and user-friendly design. With features such as an intuitive drag and drop page builder and customizable widget areas, Kadence makes it easy to create a unique and engaging blog. The theme also offers full integration with popular plugins like WooCommerce. Now, I have been using Kadence for a very long time, and so I know a lot about this, and I would always highly recommend writing blog posts like this for products that you have knowledge with, because it's going to help you to fact check different things and make sure that you have enough information that you can tweak this and make it however you want. But one major thing with any AI copywriting tool is they have to be fact checked. And so you want to make sure that what it's outputting is factual information, and that helps a lot more if you have knowledge about the product. But this is a perfect little intro paragraph for this product. And then there's some more instructions here about adding the image. And so I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to replace my image here on the right-hand side with my image. So I'm going to replace. I'm going to click on my Kadence logo here and select, and boom, that gets added. It has the rounded corners. Once we preview the live version of this page, you'll see that the image sticks as the user scrolls down. And now we can move on to the last piece of this, which is writing the pros and cons. So here's another AI prompt. It says, write a list of pros and cons about products. So I'm just going to say, write a list of pros and cons about the Kadence theme. And we're going to run this command, and look at this. It's absolutely amazing what these tools can do. It says pros, and it lists out 7 amazing pros here and 3 cons. And so I'm just going to come in here, easy to use and customize. Yep, that's definitely true. So I'm going to plug that in here. I'm just going to paste that in there. Responsive design for mobile devices, that is true. So I'm gonna take that and put it in there. And let's see, optimize for SEO performance, that's great. So I'm gonna plug that in there. And again, you don't have to use 3 pros and 2 cons. I mean, you can come in here and you can enter down and you can add as many pros as you want, and you can enter down and add as many cons as you want. But let's just get rid of these 2. And then for cons, let's see what it has listed here. Limited number of free demo templates. I guess it doesn't have as many as some other themes quite yet, although they are very beautiful. So let's add that right here. Limited number of free demo templates. Okay, boom. And so I'm just gonna delete this pros and cons box right here. This is just perfect for some ideas. I'm gonna remove that. And then all you have to do is just click on this button, and you can go to the link here and you can paste in your affiliate link. And then you have a beautiful buy now button. You can have this say whatever you want. If you want this to say learn more, you can type that there. You can change the colors or whatever you want. It's all built off Kadence blocks functionality, which gives you an insane amount of customization options. And so let's preview this listicle and see how it looks. And so here we have our listicle shown on the front end here. It says the 5 best Gutenberg WordPress themes, as the introduction that we wrote, our featured image, our table of contents so far, and then we have Kadence written. We have the paragraph that the AI generated here. We have the pros and cons and the big learn more button or buy now or whatever you want it to say. And then, like I said, as you scroll down, we have tweaked all of these templates to look absolutely beautiful, and it will stick as you scroll down there. I'm not going to go and fill out the rest of these products because it's literally just the same simple AI prompts here. But you will fill out the rest of these and replace your images. In a matter of 5 minutes, you can have an entire listicle article completely written for you. Now, one more note about AI copywriting tools. I will say that I personally write about 95% or more of all of my blog posts. I have been blogging for nearly a decade, and so writing blog posts just kind of comes naturally to me. But using AI copywriting tools is an absolute godsend when it comes to being able to give you ideas of what to write about. It is absolutely amazing at building introduction paragraphs, at describing things, at coming up with different lists and a number of things. So definitely use it as a way to help you build your blog post. But then I always recommend tweaking it, making it your own, and add some human touch in there. That's the best part about blog posts, is adding wit and humor. You might add some memes to your post, whatever it is that gives your blog post personality. It gives the reader a great experience. It's fun to read and they want to come back for more. And so let's show you one more quick example using a different blog post type, because this is one of my favorites. It's a massive money maker for any website out there, and that is the product review blog post. So say that we're writing a product review about the Kadence theme. We're once again going to go into the Kadence design library here. We're connected to the Start Blogging Blocks cloud. So we're going to scroll down, go to blog post outlines, and then I'm going to choose this first one right here, which is a product review outline. So I'm going to click this and instantly import it. And just like that, we have an entire product review outline imported into our site. It comes with this beautiful product summary box. And then we have our featured image here. We have table of contents. And then we have a very Google friendly outline here. This is the one that I have used for many product reviews to get the top spots on Google that make thousands of dollars a month in revenue. And so we have tweaked these. We have added AI prompts to nearly every single section here. And we're constantly working with these AI prompts, curating them to figure out what produces the best output. And so we'll definitely be updating these, adding more as the time goes on. So let's run a few more of these AI prompts and show you the magic that it can do and how easy it is to write a product review like this that looks amazing and is going to help increase sales on your website. So once again, we have the title for our blog post. So I'm going to get rid of the instructions for the title here. And it says, write an interesting introduction for a product review about the Kadence theme. Once again, we'll be talking to bloggers. So we'll write bloggers here who desire to result. And I'm going to say who want to create a fast, profitable blog. And we'll run the command with Jasper and we'll let Jasper do the work. And once again, there he goes, spitting out a perfect intro paragraph. Are you a blogger looking for the perfect theme to create a fast and profitable blog? Look no further than the Kadence theme. So on and so forth. So that's amazing. Our introduction is done. And then we're just going to write Kadence theme summary here. And then we have another AI prompt. It says, write a brief overview of products. So we're going to say of the Kadence theme. And then it says explaining why I recommend or do not recommend. You know, some people might create a review that they don't recommend the product, but in this case, I do recommend it. So I'm just going to get rid of this and say that we do recommend it and explain why I recommend it to audience. So I'm going to say bloggers. And then I also have a thing that says start with overall. And another reason for that is it's just kind of a keyword that Google sees and it says, hey, this is kind of the summary of the blog post. And this is how I have gotten a number of featured snippets for different product reviews out there. So let's run this and see what it produces. So overall, the Kadence theme is a great choice for bloggers looking to create an attractive and professional website as an intuitive design, so on and so forth. That is absolutely perfect for our product summary. And then we want to fill in these pieces right here. Now, you might want to just do this yourself. You can obviously just do any of these and fill these in however you want. But if you want to get help from the AI, why not? Let's try it. And so there's another AI prompt that says, write a list of 6 product aspects for products. So I'm going to say for the Kadence theme, along with a very short description for each. Each title should be 1 word only. And so let's click this and see what it produces. And that is perfect. It lists out 6 different product highlights that we can fill in right here, and then a short description of each of these. So I can take this right here. I can just double click this and I can paste that there. I can take functionality and we'll paste it here. And then you can take these short descriptions and simply just take this and fill it in for the short description here, and you are done. It's that simple. So let me just go through and add all 6 of these really quick, and then we'll move on. And so look at that. I have taken the output that Jasper produced, which by the way was perfect for the Kadence theme. All of this is true and it is perfect product aspects to highlight here. And then I've just plugged in each of these as titles here. And then I've taken the description and plugged them into here. And then you can use these read more buttons here as jump links to send users down to a specific section in your website. So maybe they are only interested in reading about the design or the widgets or plugins or whatever it is that you're writing about. They could click this button and be taken directly to that spot in the blog post. And then just a couple more things about customizing the template itself so that this looks great. We have a number of icons here that are just generic that we add with the template, but you can come in here and change these to whatever we want. So say we have design here and we want that to maybe be an artist palette. So we'll type palette here and boom, we have design and we have a new icon here. You can change these star ratings to be whatever you'd like. And you have most of this product summary done here. But the last thing we're gonna do is write a list of pros and cons for this section here. And we'll do that once again with an AI prompt. So it says write a list of pros and cons for a product. So we're just gonna say for the Kadence theme. And I'm actually just gonna get rid of this quick because we don't need that anymore. And let's come in here and run this. And so once again, here we have a list of pros and cons. I'm just gonna take flexible design and customizability here, and we'll fill that in down here. And then I'm just gonna go through and add a few more of these into the pros and cons down below here. And so I've filled in some of the pros and cons here. I'm just gonna write Kadence theme pros, and I'm gonna fill in Kadence theme for cons here. And with any good product, you know, there's gonna be more pros than cons, but I have a number of pros and cons that look great here. And then it says try product name. So you can have to say whatever you want, but I'm just gonna say try Kadence theme, you know, and then starts at whatever per month, or you can just get rid of that if you would like. So I'm gonna get rid of that there, and let's preview this quick and see how it looks. So here we have it. We have the Kadence theme review. We have the intro that was written by AI. We have the Kadence theme summary that was written with an AI prompt. We have our different product aspects and the descriptions that were all written with AI with different star ratings here. We have our overall rating of 4.8 out of 5. We have Kadence theme pro and cons, and then a huge call to action button to try the Kadence theme. So that is looking amazing. I mean, a product summary box like this, there's just hardly any websites out there that have these layouts that look good. You know, it's just a matter of a bunch of text on just a plain background. And that's just so boring, and it just does not convert. And a number of Start Blogging Blocks customers have found that once they start implementing these templates, adding pros and cons boxes, adding product boxes, call to action buttons, FAQs, table of contents, the number of clicks and impressions they get on their website skyrockets, and it just leads to so much more affiliate revenue. And so let's run a few more of these AI prompts. I'm not going to run every single one of these for the sake of time, but this is that Google-friendly outline. Each of these are fantastic questions that people are searching on Google for your product. And if your blog post can answer and fill that Google search intent, you have a chance of getting a featured snippet, you have a chance of getting in the top results, and it is going to just drive a massive amount of traffic to your website. And so let's take this one right here that says, who is product name for? So I'm gonna just say, who is the Kadence theme for? And the AI prompt says, write a list of 3 personas that product should be used by, along with a description for each. So I'm gonna say that the Kadence theme should be used by, along with a description for each. So let's run this and see what happens. And this is just amazing. It says creative professionals, and it has an amazing description here talking about how it's great for creative professionals, small business owners, freelancers. You could turn this into a list if you want. You could create, you know, a number of content boxes or whatever you want, but it is just crazy what these AI prompts can do. And we've curated these, like I said, to create just fantastic outputs. And this is just awesome. All right, so now that we have who is the Kadence theme for, I'm gonna skip the benefit section and the pricing and probably the alternatives here, but let's show you frequently asked questions because this one's really cool as well. So we have an AI prompt here that says, write a list of FAQs that audience would ask about product and answer them. And then we have Kadence blocks accordion block here for some FAQs that we'll fill in. So it says, write a list of FAQs that bloggers would ask about the Kadence theme and answer them. So let's click the play button and see what happens. And look at that. It's coming up with questions and answers on the spot, and they're even listed out perfectly. It's crazy how mind-blowing these AI prompts are and how far AI has come in such a short amount of time, and it's only getting better with every single release. And so it says, what features does the Kadence theme offer? So let's just grab this after the Q here, and we're just gonna come in here and we're gonna open this up, and then I'm just gonna take the answer, and so I'm just gonna take that and paste it in here. And rather than say built-in social media integration, I'm just gonna say beautiful social links. And then I'll grab the second one here is the Kadence theme, easy to use. Of course it is. So I'm gonna come in here, paste that. I'm gonna open this up. Yes, the Kadence theme is designed with simplicity in mind. It is user-friendly, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Jasper definitely knows what he's talking about. So let's copy that. And let's plug that in here. And then for the third one, I like this one here. Can I customize my blog with the Kadence theme? That would be a very common question. Absolutely. With its drag and drop builder and numerous customization options, you will be able to create exactly what you want for your blog or website. And so let's just open this up and paste this in here. And so once again, within a matter of a minute, we just had Jasper create questions and answer questions for an FAQ section for our blog post. It's absolutely insane what this thing can do. I'm going to get rid of this here because we don't need this anymore. We have the frequently asked questions listed here. And then for the last cherry on top, let's write our conclusion paragraph. So conclusion, is product name worth it? And so I'm going to say, is the Kadence theme worth it? And the AI prompt for this says, write an engaging conclusion for a product review about the Kadence theme, talking to bloggers. And then the last piece says, include a call to action for readers to leave a comment. And so you always want to have a call to action at the end of your blog post. Try to increase engagement and get more people coming back to your blog post and sharing it. So let's run the command and see what it produces. So it says the Kadence theme is an excellent choice for bloggers who want to create a beautiful professional website without spending too much time and money, yada, yada, yada. And then it says, if you have any experience with this WordPress theme, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And so it took exactly what our AI prompt told it to do and did it. And obviously you can come in here and you can write your own AI prompts. You can basically tell Jasper to produce anything that you can think of and run it directly in the WordPress editor, and it's going to spit it out. And this is just the very first iteration of the Chrome extension plugin for Jasper, and it's constantly getting better. AI copywriting tools are getting better, and it is just mind-blowing what you can do with these products. I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely amped for this. This is something that literally nobody else is doing yet. And so I'm so excited to be on the leading edge of this, but I need your help. If you found this helpful, if you think that this is just mind-blowing and something that you think is going to absolutely change the WordPress blogging space like I do, then I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. If you know someone that this video could help, please share it with them and get the word out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.